So what we're going to do today is we're going to try to find those ladies that cut my hair a while ago, and I had some karaoke with them. Let's see if they remember me, and let's see if I can still find them. Ah, here comes the rain. Just when I'm about to take you guys on an adventure. Well, now that I'm off Leyte, I kind of miss Homer. And I was a little bit disappointed when I was walking by this. I thought at one point it was called Homerson's, but unfortunately it's not. So as I was saying before, we're going to make our way back to the salon where I got my hair cut a while back and see if those ladies are there. I'm going to go surprise them. Yeah, I think that's it. You going to Collins Street?
Salon Swift, Metro.
Yeah? Okay, let's go. Tread through traffic here. And if you look closely, you can see some of the architecture up in some of these buildings up here. You know, it's seen better days. It must have looked beautiful, you know, 20, 30 years ago down here. Very vibrant, but still attracts a lot of people down here. I'm seeing everything from guitar sellers to walk here, but I'm determined to find the ladies that cut my hair last time here, because when I was actually in Estonia recently, and you guys will see that video coming out soon. Ooh, that haircut went bad, real bad. Beat the rain here. I'm going to show you how much the Filipinos love pork. Not holy cow, holy pork. So pretty amazing. Everybody's either getting some ground pork or lechon. I mean, pork bellies. Wow. So just gonna beat the rain for a little bit here. That is a lot of meat, as far as you can see. You got any pork? Coffee. Number 9, all right. And snacks?
Snacks, like pansnap or biscuits.
Peanuts?
Peanuts, number 3.
You know everything, huh? All right, man.
Okay.
Thanks. All right, so 9 and 3 it is. 9 for the coffee and 3 for the snacks.
Hello, sir.
Coffee?
Yes. Beans? Coffee beans? Coffee beans? We don't have.
Oh! No coffee beans. Okay. Thank you.
Welcome.
They seem to like their instant coffee here. Right here, right here, right here, right here. All right. Let's see what we got. Not good for me, not good for me. Hey guys, you know where the peanuts are?
Peanuts?
Peanuts.
Number 3.
Number 3 now. Okay, thanks guys. Oh, here we go. Barbecue. Maybe. I could always sample a pack, and if it's good, I can come back and load up. There's some more choices here. We can just buy one and come on the way back. Really tiny bag.
Barbecue, that's what you wanted.
Yeah, if they're good, they're good.
So let's get those.
Okay. Garlic peanuts. Yep, those look good. Okay, let's try them. Party time. Wow. This is just all snacks. Okay. Yeah, this is quite the cart. You get some cheesies, Cheetos, Jumpos, fries, crisps, chocolate munchies. It's like a thing out of Star Wars. You can see when they're scanning all the food across there. It has like a shooting sound. Like any of you vintage players of Asteroids or Space Invaders will know what I'm talking about. Wow, yeah. Here's another cart, guys. It's quite amazing what people are buying in the shops here. But a lot of it's got to do with junk food. Hello, how are you? How are you?
Fine.
You have one of the healthiest carts I've seen. Excuse me, ma'am. How are you today? Looks like it looks like you're having a party. This is like record snacking, or it could be shop buyers for all we know. Is it maybe Christmas time, or
No.
or the people like it?
Yeah, junk food. What?
I've never seen so much consumption, dude.
Filipino eating junk food every day.
Okay,
The cake, the adult.
snacking.
Yeah.
Do you eat junk food a
Yeah.
little bit? Really? And how do you stay so thin?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, cool. Well, have a good Christmas.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Well, there we have our answer. Filipinos love snack food. Here you go. Have a look at these, guys. You'll love this. How are you? Do you have a favorite?
Is this all for Christmas?
Is it for Christmas?
For the shop?
Oh, for your shop? Oh, wow. Hey, guys. Well, snack food is alive and well in Philippines. We got our answer. Some are shop buyers that are buying it to sell in their stores, and some are just people that love junk food. So, yeah, these are nice. They're not bad. They'll do. What a beautiful little store to get you in the festive mood. Nice to see this. Rows after rows of Christmas stuff. If you're a young guy or a young girl, you used to love these stores growing up, because this was what it was all about. The big day coming up on December 25th when Santa came to town. And wow, look at the stockings. Little hats. Curious where I can see Santa Claus here. Isn't there a place where I can see Santa? Maybe Homer's Santa, because he just actually disappeared from Leyte, so maybe he's gone to the North Pole. Could Homer be Santa? Maybe. Santa Claus. Where's the real Santa Claus? Where you can get a photo? No? Nowhere? Up north, I guess, huh? Apparently there's no real Santa Claus here, but we'll find it. Where's Santa Claus?
You?
No, where's Santa Claus?
I don't know.
Christmas trees, Christmas decorate, but no Santa Claus? So do you have friends in other parts of the world?
My mother and brother is in Las Vegas.
Las Vegas?
My sister is in Sweden.
Sweden, wow. That's cool, huh? Do you go visit them, or?
Nah.
You love it here, don't you?
My sister and my brother-in-law,
Yeah.
his husband, go here.
Oh, they come here.
Oh, they come here.
Better to come here, huh? What's your favorite part of Philippines?
I'm not traveling.
Favorite island then? Favorite island.
Malapascua.
Where's that?
Yeah, Northern Cebu.
Anyway, good to meet you. My name's Alex.
Ricky.
Happy holidays.
Happy-
Thanks. Well, it's always interesting to ask people, when you're on the ground, sure, you can go on the internet and you can see other travelers' experiences, and people will say, go to this island, go to that island. But you want to get down to it, you ask the Filipinos, well, you're on their turf. And this guy just gave me a couple of tips on what's a good island. So we're gonna ask a couple more people. Why not? We'll ask a few more people. Ladies, I have a question. Where is Santa Claus?
I don't know.
Like you have Christmas decorations, but where can somebody get a photo with Santa?
I don't know.
You don't know? Have you ever seen Santa?
No.
Did you believe in Santa?
No.
You never got any gifts as a gift from Santa?
No.
Wow, so they don't do that in the Philippines? So if somebody was going to bring you an extra gift every year, you wouldn't take it?
No, it's fine, but it's more like we know that it's not from Santa, so
You already knew that?
yeah.
Even when you were that big? Okay, one more question before I go. What's the best island or the best place to travel to in the Philippines?
Palawan.
You've just told my viewers there's no such thing as Santa Claus now. Are you sure?
Oh my god.
And one more question. Do you have friends or family that live outside of the Philippines?
Yeah, I have.
What part of the world?
Australia.
Australia. Wow. One said she didn't believe in Santa Claus. I'm not so sure about that. So we'll continue on with the interviews here on the streets of Cebu. Hello. The Filipinos are always very nice people. It's quite a good city to do interviews with. Everybody's very curious, and these the Filipinos actually do watch YouTube a lot. So I have a question. Do you know where Santa is?
No, friend.
No.
We're not also living here.
Oh, are you? Okay.
And guys, when I was in the grocery store earlier, you saw the snacks. Well, this is kind of where they mostly end up. Little side street sellers.
I found it. Come and be Judy-fied. Okay, we'll see if these ladies are still here. Come and be Judy-fied. See if they're still here. Let's have a look. Let's take the shoes off and see if they're here. How are you? You're good. I told you I would come back. Yeah. She's here. She thought she recognized me, and she did recognize me. Came back just for the haircut. It's the best haircut I had all year. You remember I was telling you about my haircut before, huh?
Yeah.
So I only trust you now with my hair. Trimmers or anything. Yulia? Yulia? No. Me. Forget her. Me. No. Now there's the haircut. That's the end result. And I'm happy with that again. Ladies, have a good Christmas, okay? Merry Christmas to you. I'm heading out of town here. Sad to say, I actually miss a few characters on the island, I think, like you. A couple of the people that run the hotel. Of course, TimK and Christy were great. And I kind of miss Homer. And I think you guys miss Homer too. Maybe we should ask some Filipinos if they've seen Homer. Maybe they spotted him. Because the last time I heard, he's left on a new adventure somewhere. So I'm gonna ask this guy. How's it going, man? How you doing? What's your name? Have you seen that guy? Do you know who that is? No. You never seen him? Oh well. Okay, thanks, man. I just showed him a photo of Homer and see if he saw him. Uh-oh, I lost my wife. Merry Christmas! And we'll go on to have a few fun adventures here in Bangkok, a city truly that never sleeps. Just wanted to say, Tim and Chrissy, I'll be back, and I will see all of you again. And you are now going to join me in Thailand, Bangkok.